When you're starting your research, two of the most basic options available on the library's website are the Discovery and the Catalog search options. These do slightly similar but different effects. If you're interested in finding research that involves books, articles, newspapers, etc., you're just kind of interested in doing a basic search, seeing what all is available on a topic, and just getting started, Discovery Search is your friend. You can search for any topic, whether you know the author, the title, just the keyword related to it, and find something. Catalog serves a similar function, but will only search for books, ebooks, audio, and video in our collection. So if you know that what you want to find is a book or an ebook, an item that is not an article per se, is not part of that collection that is constantly updated, you can find these materials here without having to sift through all of the other resources in Discovery. You can also find the advanced search version of these by visiting Find and clicking on Discovery Search to access, again, the entire range of materials available through our collection, or specifically limit to books, ebooks, audio, and video in the FIU collection. So you can select these and get a more advanced version of the search bar where you can narrow down to specific items or add additional keywords like author, title, etc.